I am Marian from St. Patrick's School of Quezon City. I am a grade 12 STEM student. I joined because I will be taking computer science as a course in college after graduating. I wanted to experience it before stepping into college. Nasayahan po ko. I think it was very fun, especially po when I got to work with other people. We got to communicate and help with our problems, solving our problems together. The program itself, okay naman po. Especially po yung teacher namin. She was very fun and very experienced and very helpful because palagi po siyang nagre-respond every time nagbe-message po ako. And sa mismong na-learn po namin, very helpful. Madami po akong napag-aralan. Especially po yung CSS and Bootstrap po. Nakatulong po definitely because kapag po dating sa college, meron na po akong experience sa pag-code, so hindi po ako masyadong malilito. And I think it definitely solidified my desire to learn coding kasi nga po masaya siya. Try po muna nila talagang experience it firsthand because coding can be hard and confusing po, especially kapag konting mali lang po, like typo, ganon, hindi na po agad gagana yung code. So, for sure, merong mga taong ma-burn out siguro. Para lang po malaman nila if para sa kanila po talaga yung coding, they should definitely try it out po muna. Thank you po very much, especially po to my teachers. They made the learning experience very fun and easy. So, thank you din po for letting me decide what course I should pick in my college.